Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. Famous Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius is recognized for his philosophical writings, which include his well-known book, Meditations. Here are some of his most important success tips. Achievement is frequently hampered by focusing on factors beyond our control. Instead, pay attention to what you can manage. Instead, concentrate on your own ideas, deeds, and decisions. Be self-reliant. Achievement is not based on outside forces or other people's perceptions. To succeed, put your faith in yourself and your own capabilities. Accept obstacles as chances for development and learning. Accept them as an integral element of your path to success. Conduct honorably. Achievement that is based on deceit or unethical actions is not real success. Be honest in all of your dealings. Keep your eyes on your objectives. Achievement demands clarity of purpose and concentration. Keep focused on your objectives and resist being easily distracted. Cultivate humility. Achievement should not be accompanied by arrogance or pride. No matter how successful you are, remember to keep your head in the game. Taking calculated chances. Success frequently necessitates taking chances. However, before making a choice, be sure to carefully consider the advantages and disadvantages. Failure is not the antithesis of success. Rather, it is a vital component of the journey. Use your errors as growth opportunities by learning from them. Develop self-discipline. Consistency and self-discipline are essential for success. Create routines and habits that will help you achieve your goals and keep your self-control in check. Have an attitude of thankfulness because success is not certain and should be valued. No matter how minor your victories may be, learn to be grateful for them. These pieces of advice stress the significance of concentrating on one's own inner traits, developing virtues like honesty, wisdom, and humility, and making conscious efforts to succeed. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.